So welcome to the last video of this module. Now have you ever noticed that sometimes there are links or hyperlinks embedded in the content, and by clicking on those links either they can take you to the another page of the website and sometimes outside the website. So do these links have to do something with the content optimization? Yes. These links are very important from search engine optimization point of view, and more specifically they are very important for content optimization. So let us discuss them. Internal and outbound linking. The next technique of content optimization is internal and outbound linking. First, let us understand what is internal linking and what is outbound linking. Internal linking. Internal linking refers to the linking any word, image, video or page to any other element within the website by putting hyperlinking. It makes the site more user-friendly and offers good navigation. An effective hyperlinking is always considered good from SEO point of view. If you have watched my videos carefully on website development, then you must have idea that how to link various elements of the website. So let me show you again. Suppose I want to insert a hyperlinking in this page here. If the user click here, it should take the user to this page of my website. Let us see how to do it. Select a text on which you want to give the hyperlink and select this icon. A pop-up will appear to insert the link of your target page, where you want a user should be directed. Now, go to your target page and from document settings, copy the permalink and come back to the original page and paste it in the pop-up. Let it be unchecked to keep the user within the website and apply it. Your link is added. Let us test it in the preview section. Click here. Yes, you are on the target page. Similarly, you can add internal linking at various places in the website, like in the menu section, images, buttons, or other sections. I have already discussed these points in the previous videos. Just refer to them. Outbound linking. Outbound linking is similar to the internal linking, with the difference that the target page is the any other page on the web except the page of your website. Suppose from my website I want to send the users to the website of SWAM. That will be called the outbound linking. Let me show it. The procedure is same. Just select the source word on which you want to give the link and click link option. In the pop-up window, paste the link of external website. Your outbound link is created. As it is outbound link, so open it in new window and apply. Let us check it in the preview section. Click on link. Yes, it is working. Good. So, to properly optimize the content, you should optimally make use of internal and outbound linking. It will offer more functionality to your website and enrich user experience of your website as well. Keyword density. The another technique of content optimization is keyword density. What is keyword density? How to measure it and optimize it? I have already discussed in one of the previous modules. Here, I will discuss one more very popular extension of Chrome browser. The name of this extension is SEO Quack, one of the favorite tool of SEO masters. Just install it to the Chrome browser. Let me show you. Search for SEO Quack and add to the browser. As I have already installed it, let us start working on it. Open any page where you want to check the keyword density and click SEO Quick. Here you will see thousands of metrics are available. That is why it is my favorite one. We will make use of them from time to time. But as of now, we will make use of density option. Click it and a new window will appear. Here we have density report on this page and you can check for one word keyword, two word keyword, three word keywords, four word keywords. You can also set few filters here. Also check the word cloud, and here is keyword density. Arrange it in ascending order or descending order. Understand the keyword density report and try to optimize the content by repeating or reducing the repetition up to the optimal level, which should look natural. Rest of the feature of this extension will be covered in one of the next module. So with this, we have completed our module on content optimization, and I hope it was a learning experience for you. And now you can think better to optimize the content of your website. Now I advise you to create one post of your own interest and try to apply all the techniques of content optimization to it. Believe me, you will understand it better. So with this, thank you and all the best.